Welcome to the Projects tutorial series for ProTracker Advantage. During this tutorial, we will be discussing the process and the components of a financial plan report. The financial plan report is one out of two standard project reports included in Advantage. Project reports provide a way to produce customized reports from templates of text. Project reports allow you to customize a standard report to meet your client's needs. The second standard project report is called an action plan report, which will not be discussed in this tutorial. If you would like to learn more about the action plan report, please refer to the tutorials available for download at protracker.com. Let's begin with a visual sample of a financial plan report. Essentially, a financial plan report is a roadmap for a client based on the information that the client has provided. The financial plan report is composed of four main sections: objectives, observations, assumptions, and recommendations. The objectives section includes goals, objectives, or concerns that the client articulates to the financial planner. The observations section contains observations documented by the financial planner about the client's situation. The assumptions section contains assumptions made by the financial planner along with the calculations performed. And finally, the recommendations section consists of all recommendations made by the financial planner that are committed to writing. Now that we have seen the main sections of a financial plan report, we can now add a financial plan to a client profile. It is important to note that you do not need to create a project in order to produce a project report. For example, let's select a client such as John Sample. So we will select John Sample from the list. From the client profile, click on the Projects tab. On the left side of the screen in the Assistant area, double-click on the Add a Project Report option. The Build a Financial Plan dialog box will appear. The Report Type field will default to Financial Plan. The Report Type pick list includes all the templates provided with Advantage, plus any custom templates that you may have created for your firm. We will discuss project report templates later in this tutorial. In the Report Title field, enter a name for the financial plan, such as Financial Plan for John Sample. The Date Created field will default to today's date. This date is logged for historical purposes. In the Date Presented field, enter today's date by pressing the letter T on your keyboard. The Select Report section to the left shows the true format of the report template. The top level is the report type, which in this case is Financial Plan. Below that level, there is a tree structure up to 3 levels deep. You may click on the plus and minus signs to open and close the lower levels of the tree for viewing purposes. The yellow document icon indicates the currently selected level. Once a level is selected, the Select Text area to the right shows the text items available in this section of the template. For each text item that you wish to include in the report, click on the associated checkbox. Let's select the text item entitled Establish a Plan to Get Out of Debt. Placing a checkmark in the checkbox indicates that this text item will be included in the financial plan report for John Sample. Look to the Edit Report Text area at the bottom of the dialog box and notice that the text item now appears in this area. The Edit Report Text area allows you to customize text items to meet the particular details of your client. Let's edit this text item by adding a deadline such as by year 2012. Look above to the Select Text area and double-click on the same text item to refresh the text in the list. If you wish, you may also customize text items completely. It is important to note that all changes entered in the Edit Report text area affect only the currently selected client's report. The order of the text items may also be altered within the Select Text area. To demonstrate, with the text item still selected, let's click on the text item directly underneath entitled, "How can we increase our credit score?" Look back to the Edit Report text area and notice the green arrows to the right. Click on the green up arrow to move the selected text item higher within the Select Text area. Look back up to the Select Text area and notice that the text item order has changed. The text item entitled, "How can we increase our credit score?" is now higher within the section. For demonstration purposes, let's select a few more text items from the Observation section. Now that we have selected all of the text items that will be included in this financial plan report, let's preview the project report. Look to the bottom of the dialog box and click on the Preview button. The preview screen will appear. This screen allows you to view the completed project report before printing or emailing the report to the client. Look to the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click on the right arrow to move to the second page of the project report. The project report preview screen allows you to view the alterations and customizations you made to the text items. Recall that we edited one of the text items to read, "Establish a plan to get out of debt by year 2012. The preview screen allows you to save the financial plan report by clicking on the Save as PDF button on the main toolbar. You may also send the report to the client by clicking on the Email Report button on the toolbar. To finish, click on the Close button on the right side of the toolbar. Once you are satisfied with the creation of your financial plan report, click on the Save and Close button at the very bottom of the dialog box. Click on the Project Reports tab and notice that our financial plan project report was added to the list of project reports for the client John Sample. You may also find it useful to select a more global view of all of the project reports existing for all of the clients in your firm. To do so, look to the main menu bar and select Projects, and then select Project Reports. This screen lists all project reports for all clients in your firm. We have just completed a financial plan project report that was created from a generic template stored within the Advantage database. A project report template is a reusable structure that allows you to create customized project reports for your clients. Additional project report templates may be added to the Advantage database by creating them from scratch or by importing templates from an Excel file. Templates may also be edited to your liking and exported from Advantage into Excel spreadsheets. You may even share your templates with other ProTracker Advantage users by sending the templates in an Excel file. We will not discuss the process of importing and exporting templates. Instead, let's see where you can get the process started and where the generic templates are located in Advantage. To find the project report templates included in Advantage, let's look to the main menu bar, click on the Operations menu, select Libraries, and click on the Project Report Templates option. This tab shows the list of all project report templates in your database. You may double-click on a project report template to edit it. Look to the left side of the screen in the Assistant area and notice the Import Report Template option and the Export option. Use these options if you wish to import or export your own templates in and out of your Advantage database. Also notice in the Assistant area the Add a Report Template option. If you do not prefer creating project reports by using the generic project report templates, the Add a Report Template option allows you to create new templates to meet a client's particular needs. In the next tutorial in the Projects tutorial series, we will be discussing the second standard project report in Advantage, the Action Plan Project Report.